What is up, people? Welcome back to another video, where today I'm gonna be trying Nightmare Kart. I'm not exactly sure what it is or how it works, but I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna say campaign. New game. Fog. Whoa. The Dream Watchers notice your presence. Just continue. Shake and dance. The Dream Watchers don't seem concerned with your reasoning as to why you are visiting the city of Meralodia. Damn. Look at that. Look at that pose he's hitting in the back. The Dream Watchers want you to sign a contract. Seems harmless. Clear. Oopsies. I'll just skip through a bunch. There we go, Dr.BigNuts, as I am known. This is correct? Of course it is. I don't want to sound like that. That's more like it. Plus 2, is this correct? Yes. Yes, that is correct. A key. Dream Watchers offer you a mysterious key. Choose one. I can get handling, but with low size and weight. Or less handling, but I'm very large and heavy. I'm gonna say handling. Begin to feel drowsy. Dong. What's that? What is that? Alright.
And so, the nightmare begins again.
You guys can hear that, right? I hope so. Same thing. I think that's a clock tower. Oh! Look at that guy. Is that me? W. Oh! It's, okay, so yeah. Until now, it had some weird controls where you had to use the arrow keys and enter. Press down for boost? What do you mean down? Is there just a down button? Oh, down arrow. Boost continues. Aether vials. I don't know why I used another one. Aether. Vials of Aether, alright. Press D and A to steer. Wow, I'm steering. Why is my health down? Excuse me, God, I gotta cut that out. So what is it? Alright, I mean, the music doesn't really match it. Listen to the music, it's like upbeat. Hold spacebar. D8 to yo, that's pretty sick. That's pretty awesome. Long burst will generate Aether vials. Thank you. Thank you for telling me that. Ah! So if you'll excuse me. I kinda got myself an issue. So what do you mean power brake? What, like a... Oh, so I just basically slam on the brakes. It's usually, like, not that. Shift is brake. Power braking is the fastest way to turn. You can even turn in place. Well, thank you for that. Thank you for letting me know. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't know why I keep letting go of W. But press spacebar after a jump to do a trick. It's literally just Mario Kart. Successful tricks will generate Aether bars. Thank you for telling me that. I'm just gonna do like the most Giga Blast ever. Oh, I missed. Oh god. Oh, wrong way. What's happening? Could something happen? I'm confused. Drive through. Oh, white flare to receive a power up. Oh, it's literally just Mario Kart. Press double up to power up. Ah. I don't know why I said press double. I just press up to power up. I don't know what I got. I don't know what I used. Offense powers. Power-ups can auto-lock onto enemies. Kill 3 enemies. Oh. It's just a gun. I didn't expect that. Guess if I got a gun again. Another gun. Look at me holding that gun. Bam, get dead. Killing grants blood droplets, which increase max speed. Oh, that's pretty neat. Can I see someone to kill and steal all their blood droplets? Oh, damn. I just got smacked, didn't I? Could I have your blood, please? Thank you. Thank you for the blood. Press left and right to aim or rotate car. Both at the same time. Oh! Whoa! To look behind me. Ow! Hey, dude, why'd you do that? I'd assume it was. Whoa. The hunter awakes to a misty dream, surrounded by a host of peculiar characters. Alright. You can hear me pressing buttons, right? I'm confused. Enter? Oh. Match location. Pocket Dream Circuit. Match type race. I'm gonna save. Checking memory card. Slot 1. Alright, thank you. Yeah, save there. Slot 1. Now I'm gonna go back down. Get to the back button. Thank you. Continue. Now loading. Alright. Let's see it. What is it? Oh, you must be the new participant. Oh, this guy's in a wheelchair. That's a cool looking wheelchair though. I am Herman. And this is on it. My enemy's servant who tends to my every need. You must be confused. But, oh, what am I doing? He's talking.
Just go out and win a few races, and it'll all be over before you know it.
Alright. I don't trust that laugh. Oh, calm down. Oh, yeah. Well. I don't know why I don't trust him. I'm gonna trust this guy with my life, actually. I think he deserves this. He deserves to see me race. Do air tricks will generate Aether Vials for boosting. Yeah, I did know that. In fact, I just did the tutorial. Is it the same as Mario Kart, where if you start moving at 2, you get a boost? I hope. Why am I jiggling? Oh, I don't think there's any boosting. Oh, I don't have anything. Oh crap. Oh, I just missed it so bad. Come on, please. Oh, I got an item. Aether Vials. Get out of there. Ow, that hurt. Aw, flip. What is that? Beast Racer? What the hell is a Beast Racer? Oh, my god. Let me out. Let me out. Oh, I just jumped. I'm really confused. I'm incredibly confused. What is happening? What's happening? What is happening? I got Aether Vials. Alright. What am I pressing? There we go. Oh. I'm not first. In fact, I'm not even close to first, I don't think. Go. What is that? Galaxy's End? I'm sorry, what? That sounds like way better. Oh, I got a pistol. That's awesome. Ow. Stop. Please. Where is my enemy? Get shot. Get shot. Oh, get shot. Oh, he didn't do the jump thing because he sucks. Get shot. Get shot. Final lap. What the hell did he just do? What was that? What? Did you see that? He just shot like a bullet. Ahead. Why? Why can't I do that? I want to be able to do that. Is that him? Oh yeah, I'm not winning this one. Health transfuser. Alright. If you say so. Beast Razor. Wait a minute. I think that's a melee weapon. I think if I get really close to someone, I can like, oh wait, I mean, yep. Oh, what the hell did I just do? Did I just lose? I think I just lost. Third. Sorry guys, I mean I did my best. That's enough, right? Dream Watchers. 1 on it. Second, me third, and then I don't know, some other guy was fourth. Who cares? He was fourth, so he doesn't matter. Third place reward 1. Gathered droplets. Ooh. I got a threaded sword. Alright. After learning the rules of the road, the hunter embarks on their journey through the city of Maralodia in search of answers. A fellow outsider, one who claims to have vast knowledge of the cursed city and its inhabitants, beckons through the hazy plain of dimly lit windows and warns that the hunt is on tonight and that a first race is soon to begin. Okay, enter. Select melee weapon. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Less stamina, more damage. Of course I'm taking that. Of course I'm overriding my save. And I'm gonna go. Continue. I'd like to see first place. That'd be pretty neat. I'm gonna see if I can.
Miralodia Expressway.
Alright. Okay, yeah, fountain. I think music would really help. Is that a dog? Oh, there's just a werewolf in a car. That's a bit weird. Oh god, I suck. Did you see that? I'm like last. And it just started. Ow, I just ran into some bodies. Oh, I got a shotgun! Get out of here, you bastard! What happened? I got a shotgun. What the hell? Developers. I think I might have run into a small glitch. A small glitch in your system. I kind of just fired ahead of everybody by like a mile. Oops. Ah! Oh my god, yeah, maybe, I mean, yeah. So, I think that's supposed to happen with the big jump. But what's not supposed to happen is me flying, like, 5 miles ahead. What the hell is that? Who is screaming at me? I'm sorry. Sewer rat. I'm so far ahead because of that one little glitch. Please. Oh, I'm winning. Oh, I'm winning. Please, can I just actually win this one? I'm gonna end up winning this one because of a glitch. Oh, I just run him over with my car. Shut up, troll. I'm running into literally every obstacle. If I managed to lose this, that'd be crazy. But it would be deserved, honestly. Shut up! Dog! That's what the thing is that keeps going at me. First place. Oh. Hitting into some walls there. What the hell? I'm better than the robot. I mean, no, it's usually easy to be better than the robot. It's just first. It just says that I'm first. Now I got another insight. And I got a ton more droplets. And I got a new something. I don't know what that was. Was it a new cart? With their first taste of victory, the hunter sets their sights on Miralodia underground and descends into the grimy abyss. Oh, I got a rusty razor. Taking that. I'm taking a save as well. Just gonna keep saving every time I win, or every time I actually do anything. Now load it. Hear my squeaky chair? Can you hear my squeaky chair?
Miralodian Sewer Arena.
Thank you for saying the name. Oh, I see sewer rats.
Team Bloodbath.
Defeat the enemy 10 times to win. What do you mean defeat the enemy? You mean shoot them with guns? Because I'd be happy to. Oh, what's that in my face? Sorry, a hair from my microphone just attacked my face. What is this? What the hell? I think it's like a 4v4 match. I got a shotgun. Shut up! Shut up! There we go, I just hit him with my shotgun. It's cool, I can hit into the wrong side of a jump and get a boost. Blood droplets! Oh, I just used blood droplets! Now I'm fast! I'm sorry. Oh, I'm back. Okay. Nice. Let's see. Oh, nice. Best item. Shotgun. Get shotgunned.
30 seconds remaining.
Oh, I have 30 seconds to kill like a million people. Die. Get over here. Ow. Die. Please. Oh, of course, I used all my shotgun. Then I got into a position as nice to kill somebody. Die! Oh my god, I'm so good. I just need one more kill. One more kill, please. Give me something that isn't blood. God damn it, I got blood. Blood can't kill anyone. That's it. I think I'm done for.
One match.
Sorry to say this. I mean, I won against them, but I wasn't able to kill them 10 times. Next. Hey, I got 3 insight, 150 droplets, but I didn't pass the challenge. Do I pass the level anyways? The hunter emerges from their scrape in the Cuspit and steals into the Angel Graveyard. Grounds located on the city. Why is there a comma there? Outskirts. Named after great beings of worship. There, in the shadow of Melagon's towering visage, they encounter a blood-spattered hunter atop a roaring motorcycle. The merciless Father Gregory bears his hunter axe and launches into battle. I got a spark cage. I'm gonna use my spark cage. I'm gonna save. Oh, continue. Let's see me absolutely destroy again. Let's see me demolish them.
Can you hear them? The snarls of filthy beasts.
I don't think I can. I'm sorry.
Who must be hunted. Beasts who must be slaughtered.
Who's talking?
It's only a matter of time until you become one.
Oh, is it the Father Gregory? Am I gonna have to shoot Father Gregory with a shotgun? Damn! That's what he said. Oh, I'm chasing him. Catch Father Gregory. Looks like I'm gonna catch Father Gregory. A lever action shotgun. Don't mind if I do. Get shotgunned! Oh. Boss fight? Boss fight? Ow. Boss fight? I'm just gonna shoot my shotgun. Ow, that hurt. Ow, that hurt. Can I just leave? Ow, that hurt! Leave me alone, giant rocks! I'm gonna die! Oh, I got a pistol, alright. That's actually good, because it has actual range. Oh, he's like... do I have to catch him or kill him? Really don't want to have to kill him. He has so much health. Did I lose? I didn't. Now I have to defeat Father Gregory. Oh, I have a... What do I have? Oh, do I still have 2 bullets? Could I just like... come on. Could I please just like kill him or something? Dude, could you just like... Can I just like shoot you? Thank you for allowing me to shoot you. God, I keep running into everything. Just let me pistol. Oh, I suck. Get me out of here, please. Oh, please, just give me another gun. Father Gregory is trapped in the corner because he's really bad at like moving or something. Why did they even design this corner if it's so easy for Father Gregory to get trapped in it? Ow. I got pistol again. Popped him. Oh, damn. Sorry, dude. I didn't know I was gonna murder you. Oh, that's not Father Gregory anymore, is it? Oh, he's huge. Oh, stage 2! How does that thing know how to use a minigun? What the hell? Oh, shoot. I mean that because I shot him. I didn't say, oh, shoot. Like, oh, shucks. Oh, fiddlesticks. Looks like I'm going to die. Can I just, like, turn around, please? Thank you. That's not him. Ow! What the hell? Give me minigun, please. And then I'm just gonna like stop so that I can just like shoot him a lot. Ow! Please stop. Oh, I got a shotgun. You got a shotgun. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm just drifting around everywhere because it's fun. Can I have a gun now? Oh, pistol. Get pistoled. Oh, die. Oh, die. Well, you died. I'm gonna run you over my car. Do I get his motorbike? Oh, wait, no, that's right. It was ripped in half. Hey, come on. Don't go breaking my car, AI. Faster than 4 minutes? Yes! Looks like I'm just a master at this game. Gather droplets. What do droplets do? I had 1,000 last time. Now I have less. Ah, what's all those mouths about? Having bested Father Gregory, the hunter becomes privy to a shred of insight. Their newfound knowledge illuminates the path forward. The truth of the nightmare and the means to escape lies in the old clock tower, just beyond a felted den of slithering serpents, the forbidden forest. What the hell? How am I supposed to... I believe those are the slithering serpents. How am I supposed to pass those things? Maybe I should have just used the motorcycle and not the cart. He had the motorcycle. Now I have the motorcycle as an option. I'm sticking with the handling. Oh my god, Crescent Axe. That looks awesome. Save. I just saved. And I'm gonna continue. We're loading. I think we're loading. Ow.
Forbidden Forest.
You know, music would really help these areas. Did you know you can power break during the countdown to boost on go? I actually didn't. What do you mean, power break? I know what the power break is, but why would I hit the brake to be able to move faster? Oh my god, I think they lied to me. I think they lied to me. Yeah, I held the power brake and I just started completely still. What the hell? Oh, I thought it said Molotov missile, but it said Molotov mine, so it means it's not as cool as I thought it would be. Having a missile that's just like a missile that like sets people on fire, that'd be cool. But too bad I suck. Too bad I suck at this. Oh, I did a flip. Ow, hey! What was that? What was that for, dude? Maybe I should have picked the guy with the weight and not the handling. Oh, I got blood droplets. I have blood now. Oh, I got a pistol. How the hell did you just do that? Kart? Come on. What the hell is this? That's not my fault, I swear. I'm last. No, please don't do this. Ah! Oh. Why do I have to be last now? I'm actually, like, I'm moving up in the world. Literally. Like. Where are you? Oh, this part again. Oh, I need to catch up to you so I can shoot with my gun. Get shot! Oh, Molotov mine, boom, get mined. Oh, never mind. I said mine in that word. Oh, god damn you. God damn you. Oh, I got the shotgun. Is that person in front of me, or am I lapping them? Oh, they're in front of me. I'm just third. I'm not third anymore. Because I'm fifth. Can I just hit one of these weird, like, soul thingies? Oh, my axe! I'll accept it. Alright. Alright, my axe. It's usable. Could you please, slow down a little so I can hit you with my axe? Same with you, could you just, like, slow down a little bit so I could just, like, wait a minute, I just had a genius idea. What if I... What the hell? Hey, is that it? Did I just lose? Oh, no, I come back, but I just am worse. Blood droplets retrieved. I think if I die, I can retrieve my blood droplets. Are you serious? Down there. That down there. I got the shotgun. Ah, god damn it. I'm gonna lose. Ah, too late actually. Not I'm going to lose. It's I've lost. Was I? No, I beat Father Gregory. Isn't Father Gregory dead? Didn't I murder Father Gregory with a shotgun? Hey, that's a new image. Lost deep in the forest, a hunter aimlessly roams. In their fear, they make a dreadful revelation. The serpents have started to speak. Hunter Kart, Hunter Motorcycle, and Hunter Moped. It's like the best of both worlds. Fortunately, though, although I am equipping things, I'm gonna save, just in case, right? And jeez, it's been a long time. It's been 45 minutes now. Thank you all for watching, but I'm going to have to end it here.